For those edits that require a little bit of CSS, this is where you can update the CSS. Most of the time, you can just override the CSS rule by pasting your CSS in the Divi theme options custom CSS area. And I think if you're just making a couple changes, that's where you want to do it. But to be able to copy the rule that you want to change, you'll go up to Appearance, Theme File Editor. I'll open that in a new tab. And that's going to pull this up. It's going to give you a warning first, but you can say, I understand. And what I recommend is if you're, even before copying any of this, just select all of it, copy it, and save it on your computer somewhere using either like a text editor or something like that, or a notepad. If you want to use an actual code editor, you can either sign up for a free CodePen account and you can paste it in there, or you can get a Visual Studio Code free and you can download an editor, something like this one that you could paste it in and then save it on your computer as a backup original file, just in case. So for most of these tutorials, I'm going to have open the original file here just to copy out some stuff and then paste the overriding CSS here. Piece of cake, but just be sure, again, to back this up somehow. Just select it all, copy it, back it up. That way you can always paste it back in here and be fine. And don't forget there's an update file button down here. And same on this page, the save changes. So, all right, that's how you will edit and update CSS for Coastal.